We live in a time where tyrants are applauded and accepted while freedom fighters are defamed and rejected. Why is it when we ask cops the same questions they ask us, and when we treat them like they treat us, the insanity of our question and the ridiculous nature of our action becomes so apparent and hilarious? But when they do and say the same things to us, it's somehow acceptable, usually without question? I promised I'd cover the video within what is known as the First Amendment auditing community that, in my opinion, should, if it wasn't for algorithmic suppression, be knocking on the door of 1 billion views simply because of the entertainment and educational value. Currently, this content gem is sitting at nearly 9.5 million views, which is good, but it should be better. But maybe we can breathe some life into it, share it out, and help it to continue to go viral. It's James Freeman's masterful handling of Detective Mike Jardine. In this video, you're going to see in real time the psychological inner workings of a guy who you can tell is so used to being in control, literally unravel to the point where he starts to trip over his own words, which just serves to add more hilarious fuel to the already kindled trolling fire. This is from James Freeman. This is Detective Mike Jardine or whatever his name is, Sardine. Let's take a look at it.
Are you with somebody in particular? Or?
Just me.
Watching you take pictures of our parking lot. What's this about?
Is that a problem?
Yeah, this is a police law enforcement parking. It is a problem.
Oh. Who are you?
I'm Detective Mike Jardine.
Oh, yeah? What are you working on? What are you working on right now?
Several cases.
Okay.
What is this about?
Are you working on something right now?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
All right, what are you working on? What are you working on?
It doesn't matter what I'm working on. I'm asking you, what are you doing here taking pictures?
Where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out and about a little bit?
What is this about? Who are you?
I'm asking the questions. Where have you been today? Have you been here?
I'm asking the questions. You're on this property. You're on this property, so you need to answer my questions.
Are you drunk?
He's got Jardine all flustered, man. I love it when you ask a question that wasn't expected or make a statement that a cop doesn't expect, because they start looking at you like a horse staring at a new gate. It completely catches them off guard.
Or have you been out and about a little bit?
Listen.
What is this about? Who are you?
I'm asking the questions. Where have you been today?
No,
have you been here?
I'm asking the questions. You're on this property. You're on this property, so you need to answer my questions.
Are you drunk? Why are you slurring your words today? So have you
Oh my
been here all
gosh.
day, or have you been out? Have you been to the bar today at all?
Who are you?
Have you been to the bar today?
Who are you?
I'm an investigator.
Investigator for who?
Investigative journalist. I investigate corrupt officials. So I'm wondering, where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out at the bar at all?
Working on a fraud case. That's
Okay.
where I've been.
Okay. Have you been to the bar at all today?
No.
Okay. You got any drugs on you? Have you used any drugs today?
What a ridiculous question.
That's not a ridiculous question. Do you know where he's been?
Somehow it's a ridiculous question when you ask it of the cops, but it's policy if the cops ask that of you.
Today?
I don't keep tabs on them.
Oh man, we got to go back. Listen, now he gets the other cop involved to try to get this cop to narc on Jardine.
Today?
What a ridiculous question.
That's not a ridiculous question. Do you know where he's been today?
I don't keep tabs on them.
Okay.
Out and about.
Do you know what time his shift started?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay. Does he usually drink on the job, or no? Not that anybody knows of for sure. Have you guys ever breathalyzed him while he's been on the job? Would you submit to a breathalyzer for me right now?
You're ridiculous. You know that? You've got about 5 minutes to get out of here right now.
Or what?
Or what? You're on
My
Law
property.
enforcement, this isn't your
Yeah, it
property.
is. Shut the hell up. Get out of here now.
What'd you say?
I said shut up and get out
No,
of here.
you get out of here now.
Hey, you better get your boy.
Get your boy.
Get your butt back in your office
You
and do
shut
your
up.
job.
You shut up and get
You
out
get
of
your
here.
butt back in your office and do your job.
No,
Mike.
You quit drinking on the job. You understand me?
whatever.
You punk ass. You get your ass back in there. You don't look back here again.
Look, and then he does. Like
I'll be watching you.
James literally has him attached to strings. Like James is the puppet master, and he's moving this guy by his will, telling him not to do something. Because you know, when you tell an authoritarian not to do something, it's just like telling that kid, "Hey, don't. I'm gonna be gone for about 10 minutes. When I come back, I better see all those cookies in the cookie jar." And they can't help themselves. They got to do it. Look at this. Tells him not to turn around, and he just intentionally turns around anyway, with emphasis.
You get your ass back in there. You don't look back here again. I'll be watching you. You
Oh.
are now under investigation.
Oh my
To be
God.
clear, it has not been proven that Detective Mike Jardine is or was drinking on the job.
Mike Jardine. So give James Freeman a follow. If you are not subscribed to him, subscribe to him. I guarantee you, just go to his channel and look at the most popular videos and just start going down the list. You will not be disappointed. I say that without reservation. Really good stuff out of James Freeman. So there's the link right here. Let's see if we can't revitalize this video right here. It definitely needs 100 million views at the very least. If you enjoy these commentary videos and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. That's highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a design that you can put on a shirt, hoodie, mug, hat, cell phone case, pillowcase, whatever you want. Become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are, be brave, and stand for your rights. If we refuse to stand for our rights, we can expect that we will lose our rights. I will see you in the next video.